Hi everyone, here is my new Immotor Go. Came from China. I ordered it on TaoBao at 14th of October. Today is 9th of November, so it was in transit 3 weeks. Yeah, 3. It came to Russia, so now I'm going to check what is inside of it. And by the way, to buy on TaoBao you need to use Google Translate, because there is only Chinese language, and if you don't know it, as I am, you need to translate. And also you need a shipping forwarder. Because TaoBao ship only in China. To other countries they don't ship. What's here? Okay, and now, whoa. Here's the batteries. Yeah, cold. One battery, and here's another one. Yeah, I ordered extra batteries too, so I think it is day. Sides. Now, oh, this, yeah, it's a bag. Yeah, I didn't order it. It's in a bag, I think. Oh, it's a gift. I don't know exactly. Another here the screws. Oh, yeah, screws are nice. What this? Oh, it's dock. Yeah, it's charging dock. I also ordered it extra. Yeah. Another right here. It's a charger. Yeah. One part of charger. Another one here. Yeah. It's here. Another part of charger, and yeah, it's a Chinese plug. So we need to use an adapter to charge our scooter. Oh, here this. Oh, it's a phone holder. Yeah, also in the fabric. Inside the holder. Oh, yeah. Holder, and here the scooter. Another part of the holder, and nothing more. And what here? Oh, here is download the app to use, it says, and I think it's empty at the moment. Yeah. Oh, here are the 2 batteries. Another from the premium version, and yeah, it's empty. I need to charge. But here the logo. Oh no. And by the way, I ordered it from TaoBao, as I said. Now I will check this price here. Yeah, it's all on Chinese, so yeah, this scooter and where this Immotor, yeah, this one. It says Immotor, the official store. So the scooter price is $865. Here the battery, the top battery is $144. I bought two. Here the back, 15 bucks. Holder, 19 bucks. And where's the dock? Don't see the dock station. No. Yeah, here the dock station, and I think it's about $150 near. Yeah, depends on the exchange rate of the bank, which card you will use. And here, yeah, nothing more. Oh, footpads also they have. One, but two. Yeah, footpads, $129, and types, yeah, different types of footpads. Yeah, also handlebar, or it's a grip, I don't know exactly. $7. And others, oh, footpads more, another stuff. Yeah, you can look at yourself via the browser, like Google Chrome or others, and use the Google Translate to translate the Chinese to your own language. So yeah, nothing more, but it's official store, Immotor. Thanks for watching.